So Apple just announced an iPhone that costs 2,29,900. Yes, you heard that right. Almost 2,30,000 rupees for a 2 TB iPhone 17 Pro Max. मतलब इतने में तो गाड़ी आ जाती है यार. But hey, if you want all that storage inside your pocket, Apple's got you covered. What's up guys, this is Sohail Nikam here and today let's talk about the full iPhone 17 lineup that was just unveiled in Cupertino. And there's a lot more to cover as well. You've got the AirPods, you've got the Apple Watch and lots more. So let's get started. Starting with the regular iPhone 17. This one finally gets ProMotion with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's bigger 6.3-inch display. Covered with ceramic shield too, Apple says this display is 3x more scratch resistant. It's powered by the new A19 chip and it can handle up to 18 hours of video playback on a single charge. Cameras are the big story here. A 48 megapixel dual fusion system that combines the main and the telephoto camera into one sensor. You get a 24 megapixel default mode for smaller file sizes, 2x optical telephoto and 48 megapixel ultra wide that is even sharper than the iPhone 16. On the front there's a new 18 megapixel center stage camera with a square shaped sensor, and that means proper landscape selfies without rotating the phone. Just tap to switch between portrait and landscape and it can even do so automatically. The price, the iPhone 17 starts at 82,900 and storage now begins at 256 GB. That's a lot. And now for the new much rumored iPhone 17 Air, that's being called just iPhone Air by the way. At just 5.6mm thin and extremely light, it's Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. It has a polished titanium frame, a 6.5-inch ProMotion display and a plateau-style camera bump that honestly looks a lot like the Pixel. Inside, it's got the A19 Pro chip and its single 48 megapixel sensor simulates 4 lenses including 2x telephoto. Plus, you also get the same 18 megapixel center stage camera and a new dual video capture mode. The only catch about this phone is that it's eSIM only and there's no physical SIM tray here. This one starts at 1,19,900 rupees. Then we've got the pros. They switched from titanium to new unibody aluminum design that's lighter in the hand with a fresh vapor chamber for cooling. The Apple A19 Pro chip here is 40% faster than last year's Pro and the battery life is wild, up to 39 hours. But cameras are the main draw here, of course. All three are new 48 megapixel fusion sensors. You get 8x optical zoom, crazy digital zoom, and for all the pros out there, there's finally ProRes RAW support. The iPhone 17 Pro starts at 1,34,900 while the Pro Max starts at 1,49,900. Both come with 256 GB minimum storage. And yes, the 2 TB iPhone 17 Pro that I talked about at the start is costing 2,29,900. And now for the watches, quickly. The Series 11 gets 5G connectivity, hypertension monitoring, which means it can monitor your blood pressure, a new sleep score feature that scores your sleep, and 24 hours of battery life. The Ultra has a bigger LTPO3 display and lasts 42 hours on its battery. And even the SE gets an update. It gets the S10 chip, gesture support, sleep apnea detection and 19 hours of battery life. And the new AirPods 3 are actually pretty sweet. They now have 2x better ANC, a heart rate sensor for workouts and even live translation for conversations. So technically you don't need a watch to track your fitness anymore. Your earbuds can do it for you. So that's the iPhone 17 lineup. The regular iPhone 17 finally catches up with ProMotion and better cameras. The Air is the thinnest iPhone ever and the pros are the pros. But here's the real question. Would you ever buy that 2 TB Pro Max for 2,30,000 or is the regular iPhone 17 still the sweet spot for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as usual, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the Exhibit Magazine YouTube channel.